Hey guys, I got a new leopard gecko. I'm not, if you saw it on my current reptiles, then yeah. This is tank setup. It's a baby. I bought it from like Petco. He's pretty healthy, but he hasn't been eating. I think he's just stressed out, so I'm gonna like give him a couple more days. Calci dish, thermometer, water ball, cool side hide, warm side hide. I don't have a humidity box in it. He's in this like little herp heaven thing. It's like a tub. It's like the size of like a 10-quart tub. Then he has his heat mat there. His card. And this is him. I think he's a blizzard. Like he has a little bit of a pattern, but it kind of faded away. And he has a pretty nice tail, but he hasn't been eating. So, yeah, that's him. And if he hasn't eaten for like 4 days, so if you guys have any like tricks or something that you do to baby leopard geckos to get them to eat, then comment or message me or something. Because like I want them to eat, obviously. And then I just put them here and this here, and then I put a piece of like a rag, well not a rag, like an old washcloth over him, and it keeps it kind of dark and it keeps the heat in. And here you go. Charmander's out right now. See, he's doing good. Beardies are doing good. Yeah, he's doing good. Alright, so like I said, message or comment if you guys have any tricks or something for baby leopard geckos to eat. Alright, thanks. Bye.